Welcome to our comparison of two popular grooming kits, the Philips Norelco Multigroomer 7000 and the Beard Trimmer for Men. Today, we'll dive into their features, specifications, and help you determine which one is the better choice for your grooming needs. Let's get started. When it comes to pricing, the Philips Norelco Multigroomer 7000 is priced at $64, making it a more budget-friendly option compared to the Beard Trimmer for Men, which retails for $99. If you're looking for a versatile grooming kit without breaking the bank, the Norelco might be the way to go. Another significant difference is the waterproof capability. The Philips Norelco Multigroomer 7000 is not waterproof, which limits its usability in wet conditions. On the other hand, the Beard Trimmer for Men boasts an IPX6 waterproof rating, allowing for both wet and dry use, making it more versatile for grooming in the shower or during cleanup. Safety is also a key consideration. The Beard Trimmer for Men includes a safety lock feature, ensuring secure operation during use. In contrast, the Philips Norelco Multigroomer 7000 does not offer this feature, which may be a concern for some users looking for added security while grooming. In conclusion, both grooming kits offer unique features that cater to different needs. The Philips Norelco Multigroomer 7000 is a great option for those on a budget, while the Beard Trimmer for Men provides added features like waterproofing and safety locks. We hope this comparison helped you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews.